In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different currencies on QuickBooks Online, specifically for invoicing with multi-currencies. QuickBooks Online has a handy feature that allows businesses to manage transactions in multiple currencies, making it a valuable tool for those dealing with international clients or suppliers. Let's dive right into it so you can efficiently manage your currencies with ease. To begin, direct your attention to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen, where you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to many of the platform's settings, so click on it. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This section is where you configure many of the foundational aspects of your QuickBooks account. Now, you need to locate the Advanced Settings section. Look over to the panel on the left side of your screen, and you'll see the option for Advanced. Go ahead and click on that. This section hosts several technical settings, but don't let that intimidate you. You're almost there. It's time to focus on the currency section. Scroll or look through the advanced settings until you see currency. Click on it to open up your currency options. Here lies the magic button for multi-currency. Next, you'll want to enable the multi-currency option. By doing this, you're allowing QuickBooks to handle transactions in multiple currencies, which is essential for international business. A word of caution though, once you click to enable multi-currency, it cannot be reversed. This is an important point to consider, as enabling this feature makes a permanent change to your QuickBooks settings. If you're comfortable and sure about this decision, it's time to save your settings. Look for the Save button and click on it. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. With multi-currency now enabled, you gain new functionalities for your business transactions. Whenever you record any new transaction, you will have the option to choose from a variety of currencies. This flexibility allows you to cater to different international transactions with ease and confidence. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've expanded your QuickBooks functionality to effectively handle multiple currencies. This feature will streamline your accounting processes, especially if you're engaging in cross-border trade or managing accounts with diverse currency needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. With multi-currency enabled, your business is now better equipped to handle international exchanges effortlessly, giving you the financial agility you need in today's global market. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and happy accounting.